This how to 1 minute will show you how to reset WordPress password on localhost. First of all, open XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. Then open localhost/phpMyAdmin. And now you have to click on your website database. And here scroll down and search for users. Then click on users. And here you will get all of your available WordPress user login. Click on edit. And now from here you can change your WordPress admin username and click on user pass. And here scroll down and select MD5. And now you can easily change your WordPress login password from here. Then scroll down and click on go to save changes. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.